Hi. Hi everyone, and welcome to today's vlog. I'm really excited because yesterday the hardware for the Nook came in, so we put the Nook together. We got a new couch and I have a picture to put up. I got some PR from Mary Kay. So I thought I would really vlog today because there's quite a bit of things that have been changed and different, and I wanted to update you guys and take you guys along the process. So today I am going to be showing you guys, you know, things that have been going on. I started to vlog yesterday, so I may include some clips of that in here for today. So it's a light gray sectional. Apparently that comes with a dog and the dog bed. Just loving life. So here's the couch. It's a 5-seater. It's actually got like cup holders right here that you can remove to clean. And it's also got this compartment that shuts slowly, which is really nice. And then this part is actually a recliner that reclines forward. So it's not like the back of it goes into the window, so it comes out forward. So eventually I do want to switch out the area rug and get something a little bit smaller. When we were at Canadian Tire, I seen this marble and white fireplace that I thought was really, really nice. So we may look for a fireplace eventually. It'll probably be later on, closer to the winter, but that would probably be like the only other piece of furniture we would get for in here. But I want to show you the Nook. So here is the Nook, which I'm really excited about and I really, really like. I feel like it just makes the dining room feel a lot bigger. See, the thing is, it's only Owen and I here that really need to sit here, and I feel like you can get a decent amount of people here. And I also want to get a roll-away island and maybe 2 little gray stools for in here. So I feel like, what are you smelling? Say hi. So I feel like that'll also add some extra like seating if we do need seating. But yeah, I like how it's just open. I can actually sit here and see inside my kitchen, which before I had no seating in my kitchen, so I would always need to stand, but now I can actually just sit here and see everything that's cooking in my kitchen when I'm cooking. So I really like it. I have a little picture to put up, so I'm going to put that up today. And I also have a box that came from Mary Kay, so I'm just wiping everything down and then I'll go through that with you guys. And I just wanted to show you everything that came in and kind of the changes. Right here or right there is where like the rollaway island's probably gonna go. And then what I would like to get here is like a little maybe white cabinet or something simple. I don't want a lot, just something simple. Oh, I guess Owen's back. But this is what we used to have in the dining room, which is going to go. I am not a fan of wood. I'm not even a fan of the floors, but it's okay for now. But anyway, we can finally say goodbye to this, and I can finally say hello to Owen. So I will catch you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I started crock-potting some dinner. I'm really excited because I've had this for a long time and I can finally use it. What do you want to do? Do you want to open up some mail? I think that would be fun. Do you want to do that with me? Okay. So I got some things here from Mary Kay, so I thought I'd just go through them with you guys instead of doing like a dedicated video, because I feel like this is just a lot of different things, and it's so nice that they had sent this over right now because, I don't know, it's just really nice in a time like this. And whatever I personally don't use, I always do like a local giveaway. So the first thing here is like a nice little set. I love the bag actually. This sounds really nice. It's to massage into your hands. I'm gonna have to do like a manicure one day because like, ooh, these are not it. This here is a nourishing cream, which is nice. Now these are fragrance free. I love the Satin Hands line, and I always use the regular line, which is what's in here, and I went through my little ones so quickly, so I'm happy to have more. But if you're looking for like good fragrance free products, I'm assuming these will probably act just as good as the ones that were scented. And this here is a protecting softener. Ooh, that sounds really, really nice. So these are for like a manicure, and they're fragrance free. I can't wait to try that because sometimes my hands are really dry and fragrance doesn't do well on them. So I'm excited for those. And this here is from the regular line. So I have a Silkening Shea lotion. I can't wait to use that for my body. It's gonna be really nice to use on my body. I love this line because it smells really nice. It's almost like a light tea scent, and they work so well. I actually used, I think it was 2 little creams. They went so quickly because of how much I use them, and I really relied on them. I can't wait to use this lotion. It says white tea and citrus, and then you can get fragrance free. So they do have 2 options there. I've also got a nice wash, and I can't wait for this. It's gonna smell so nice. I'm so excited. And then I also have a Shea scrub. I can't wait to have a nice scrub, a new wash, a new lotion. Very excited to use those. These are all products that I will use, and I know I will get my use out of them because I really do love the scented version, and I can imagine that I'll probably really like the fragrance free one as well. Next up is a deep cleansing charcoal mask. This sounds really interesting. I didn't know that they had a charcoal mask, and it looks really, really nice. It's a deep cleansing charcoal mask. Now I have a charcoal mask from Carbon Cocoa, and I've got a black peel. I think it's a charcoal mask coming in from Black. So I'm going to keep this one in the package. It smells so strong. It smells really nice though. But I'm going to keep this one in the package because I may do like a little giveaway with it because I have quite a few masks to go through. But I'm going to see if I use up my other ones. I may use this one, and if I notice I'm not, I may toss it in a giveaway. But they do have a deep cleansing charcoal mask, so that's cool to know. I didn't know they had that. And now I actually have like a place I can put this, and I know I'm going to use this a lot, and it's probably to help like remove your makeup. I'm going to get so much use out of this, and I like the fact that it's gray because I have a lot of like white things, and what I noticed is like white cloths are kind of like a no-go. They get dirty quickly, so I'm excited for this. And it's got cute like little eyelashes on it. Cute. This is a silicone brush, and I love them because they're really good for applying face masks and skincare. And I'm thinking about keeping, I don't know if this is the same one. If it's the exact same one, I may give it away, but if it's different, I'll probably keep it because I do use these like weekly, if not nightly. If you're into skincare, I would highly recommend getting this, or if you're looking to get into skincare, because they make applying clay masks so much easier and a lot cleaner, so you're not always using your hands to rub moisturizer in or anything like that. So these are really nice. Now I have 2 other things. I have a mascara, which I'm excited about because now I don't have to go out and buy a new mascara, and I love their mascaras. My absolute favorite one was the Ultimate Mascara. Now this one here is the Lash Love Phanorma, I think is how you pronounce it. It's really cute. It's pink, and I want to see the brush on it. Looks really nice. Their mascaras are actually really, really good. So if you're looking for a good mascara that's kind of like in the middle price range, these are really, really nice. So this one has a dual side. So you have a fan tip on one side, and then you've got like another tip on the other, and it's in the I Love Black color. So very, very excited to use this. I can't wait. And now I have 2 Intuitive pH lip balms. These sound really cool. And I have one in berry and one in pink. So let's see what these look like. I want to open up the berry one. What I like is they come out with some really cool packaging. Wow, look at the color. It is so berry. Okay, I can totally see myself wearing this one. It looks so, so nice. I want to try it and see. It just like goes with your pH level, I guess. I'm gonna wear this one a lot. And then this one, I don't know if I can layer them. I'll probably get use out of, especially like in the fall time. It is so purple, but let me see. So it swatches like that, so it's not like overly purple, and I feel like it just kind of adds a little bit. I like them, so I'm gonna keep them, and these are gonna be something that I wear literally a lot. I can totally see myself wearing both of these a lot. I really like it. They're really, really creamy, and I think they're a lip balm, if I'm right. Yeah, they're lip balms. That's perfect because I really like lip balms, tinted lip balms, things like that, and I feel like it just like made me look more put together. Oh my goodness, I like them. So I'm gonna keep both of these. So for right now, these two things are gonna go on the back burner. I'm gonna keep them in my extra products, and then if I don't use them within a couple months, I'll probably do a local giveaway. But thank you to Mary Kay for sending me some of these things over. I'm really excited. Again, they do have like fragrance free products and like really nice products here and cool tinted lip balms. So I'm really excited about that. I do actually use Mary Kay on almost like a daily basis, whether it be for makeup or skincare. Here's how they warmed up to the skin, if you can see. They warmed up nicely. These I'm definitely gonna wear a lot. I like how I'm gonna be able to wear them different seasons too, and I'm feeling like I should have put on some makeup, but I mean, whatever. Today's just a casual vlog, so let's continue on. So this is the picture that I want to put up. I'm thinking on putting it up here or on this wall, but this is the one that I want to put up. I am not good with plants, so this is probably the most plant we'll get. I think it'll look really cool though up here and just bring a little bit more color because I do have a really neutral like pattern here. Owen's mom bought it for like their house, but it didn't work, and like this will probably work for ours, especially because it's white. It's got some green, which will add some color, so I think that'll be nice. So I just have to try and find a way to hang it. I have a couple other things I do need to hang here. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's a little bit after. It is so warm outside. If you heard that. She just burped. Okay, it is so warm outside. I was supposed to do some things outside, like clean up and just like yard work. I think it's like plus 25. I'm out there in like a knitted sweater and leggings. So the majority of the stuff that we had to do outside is done. So I'm gonna go finish some of the stuff up outside after dinner, just because I need to get dinner ready. I have been crock potting pulled pork all day, so I'm really excited to see how this is going to be. And then I have my air fryer right now. I'm actually watching Jessica Braun, but anyway, I have my air fryer because I'm going to make some little potatoes. Honestly, an air fryer is an appliance I use daily. Like when I mean daily, I mean daily. It's good to cook meat, it's good to cook your potatoes, it's good to cook. I believe you can put veggies in here. You can put so many things in an air fryer. I am not a deep fryer person. I'm not big on deep fry, but air frying is completely different. I love it. So if you're looking for a good appliance to use, or you want a new appliance, get an air fryer. Or if you were thinking about getting one, get an air fryer. So I'm making cookies again. One, because I'm lactose intolerant and I prefer to make baked goods rather than just buying them, because at least I know what's in them. And also because we've been having problems with baking lately. I'm used to baking, so I don't know what it is. So we're trying a different pan and different ingredients and stuff to see. I hope it's not the oven. So I'm cooking some peanut butter cookies. Like in my We Got a Fridge video, I know a lot of you were saying they looked good. So I'm cooking those again. I'm gonna see how they turn out this time. And that'll basically be it for the night. I'm just gonna clean up the rest of the yard, play frisbee with the dog. It's gonna be very chill because I am very tired. Nothing's wrong with the oven. I don't know what was going on the last couple times, but something was just not right. So here's the first batch, well, what's left of them. Owen already came to help himself, and I already had one. So time to cook batch number 2. So that's gonna wrap up today's vlog. I just wanted to show you the new couch. I wanted to show you the Nook and just open up a parcel with you. It was a very, very chill video, but I thought it was fun, and I just wanted to update you on the furniture and everything like that. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below because I will be posting more vlogs like this. Don't forget to say hi in the comments, and we will be seeing you guys later. Bye.